This is it, fellas. We're ready to get this thing started. And we're here in Orlando, a breeding ground for many of the WWE's top superstars, thanks to the Performance Center.
Breeding ground for great commentators, too. And there's Saxton. I don't know how you got bred.
Down in a sit-out spine buster. Great agility there. Whoa, stiff headbutt. Gets out of dodge there. Flying clothesline right on point.
Rattling the spine there.
The better part of valor.
Suicide dive! Whatever it takes to win.
There's the quickness and agility.
Whoa, not so fast.
It'll destroy your face.
He evades the attack.
Wow, what a sequence.
And now that one's countered. Look out. Here we go.
Headbutt! How impressive was that reversal?
Gets him with a counter.
Oh, there's the Irish curse. And the throat kick.
Hoisted up. Down and out. Uh-oh.
The cutter never ceases to him.
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out?
1, 2.
And he gets the shoulder up.
It'll take a lot more than that to keep him down.
You build momentum. You look for victory. Every superstar is trying to do that when they step in the ring. Saw that one coming.
Oh, well-measured strike. Moonsault! That was beautiful.
This match's brutality starting to show on him.
A change of strategy has to be his next move.
Big boot.
Harsh impact. Great reflexes. Oh, man, what a boot.
Wasn't expecting that. Down and a sit-out spine buster.
We are beginning to reach a point of desperation in this match.
These athletes' bodies can only take them so far. You have to imagine they're reaching their breaking point. Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out. Oh, stomping away.
Oh, Corey, he unloaded there. Boom, what impact.
He just cannot be caught.
He might have been waiting on that one. No, another reversal.
Neither one of them are willing to give an inch here.
Got to be careful not to get counted out here. Whoa, right hand to the body. We might be close to the end.
Yeah, I don't even think he knows where he is.
Back now inside the ring. Hoping to end it here. A kick out, and you can see the frustration starting to build.
Wow, I thought for sure that was it. Right on point.
At the arm. Oh, working on the arm. Wicked chop. And here.
Showing some quickness.
And this match can change that fast. Does he get it here? No, another kick out.
How in the world?
Unreal.
Booting boot.
Here's the windup. And
His opponent is just overwhelmed.
that should do it right there.
1, 2. This guy just refuses to quit.
How'd he do that?
He's lining him up.
Great reversal.
I gotta say, I'm impressed.
Finds a way to reverse. And again, yet another counter. Once.
Kick right to the leg.
Setting up again.
A cutter.
Caught him flush.
Cover here. 1, 2. No, that was a close call.
So resilient.
Wow. Big boot. At the up. Oh my goodness, crushing it.
Just a barrage of stumps.
Oh, what a snapmare.
Perfectly executed. Oh, able to counter.
He's looking for yet another exclamation mark.
What a cutter. If that's not it, I don't know what is.
A second time has to end this.
He's going for the pin. 1, 2. And at some point, he's going to start wondering what it's going to take to put him away. His head's taking the brunt of the punishment here.
Come on, man. Put your arms up. Play some defense.
Double leg drop. That's one for the highlight reel.
Ooh, what impact. I can see up to the rafters, and there's not a single person sitting down.
What an environment this is. All eyes are glued on this battle. Measuring it. A sit-out mat slam. And he wants nothing to do with any of that. He's a...
Saw what he had in mind there. Oh, man. Ouch. What agility.
Flipping senton. That'll take the wind right out of you. Really just laying it in.
He is efficient and dangerous with his offense thus far.
He can't allow himself to let up now. Flipping the script on him there.
A face-buster knee smash.
That was painful.
Now taking control.
Battling to get the upper hand.